Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Wolt and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You search about Wolt. If you find update here, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.